welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix age verification problem on X. So, first thing you have to do is open up your X app just like this, and you're going to click right above your screen. You can see your profile right there. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see profile. Click on profile, and you're going to click on the edit right there for you, and you're going to click on your date of birth. So what you're going to actually do is actually try to re-enter your date of birth, right? Try to re-enter it, and you're going to save it again, right? Because sometimes maybe it did not get saved and Twitter just keep asking for your age verification, right? So after doing that, you go back and you click on your profile right above your screen again, and you're going to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you're going to click on privacy and safety. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to click on content you see, right? Once you click on that, you're going to see sensitive media. You click on that, and you're going to click on graphic violence, and you're going to click on show all, and just do the same for the rest. You go back and you do search settings. You make sure you turn that off, right? And click on explore, and you turn that off as well. So this is just virtually how to fix that problem. And you can still go to your profile again, right? And try to check your age again to make sure it's the right age, and you should be able to note that you should be above 13, yes, in order for you to have an account on X. So this is virtually how to use it. If you find this guided, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.